Hello, fourth graders. Today's Monday, November 8th, 2021. I wanted to go through a few of your math problems for OLS lesson for today, which I believe is Unit 9, Lesson 3, Division, Model and Explain Division. So grab back up here, grab a Genius Cap, reach in, grab the one you like. Take a look at our schedule this week. Mrs. Miller is out today, so that means no live math. Um, Tuesday is kind of up in the air about whether or not there will be live math, but you can find the information for your weekly assignments on your newsletter. And after that, I wanted to let you know there's more than one way to divide. I showed you box division, long division. I want you to start thinking of finding the missing number if it helps. 10 times what equals 70, as well as a few other optional activities that you may work on with your learning coach. I'm going to do a few of these activities together because today in your lesson 9.3, your job is going to be finding whole number quotients and remainders with up to 4-digit dividends. So I thought I'd take a look and we could do some of these together. What division calculation does this array describe? Well, there is 5 rows, 17 columns, 85 altogether, but since this is a division problem, we're going to turn that around to 85 divided by 17 equals 5. We got it. Okay, so let's take a look at 98 divided by 7 equals what? And with some boxes here, I know I'm dividing by 7, but I'm not sure what numbers go in that box. So I thought I would take this same exact problem and we'll take a look at it over in Paint. So 98 divided by 7. The first thing I'm thinking, let's put the 7 here. We'll also put the handy multiplication sign here that also is helpful. Now I'm trying to think of 7 times what number is, I don't know, pretty close to 90, but that is also maybe a multiple of 10. So let's just try 10. Okay, now I need to know what is 10 times 7. That equals 70. Now I need to have this number plus this number add up to 98. So 70 plus what number equals 98? I'm thinking 70 plus 28. Now I can simply find 28 divided by 7 and put the answer here. Or think of 7 times what number equals 28? 7 times 4 equals 28. So our answer, my friends, is found at the top. Our quotient is the answer to a division problem. 10 plus 4, 14. Let's go back. Add those answers in here. We took 7 times 10 to get 70. And then we had 28 remaining. 7 times 4 is 28, giving us totals 10 plus 4 is 14. Check my answer. Got it. Complete this area model to show how to divide 927 divided by 3. 3 is already here. I'm going to need to find out what number I can multiply by 3 that would get me fairly close to 900. And why do I say 900? Because 900 is an easy number to work with when multiplying. 3 times what would give us the number 900? 3 times, well, let's try 300. 3 is 900. Got it. Now what's left over? 927 is what we started with. So we have to make sure that 900 and this number are equal to the same. 900 plus 27 equals 927. Now I need to know 3 times what number equals 27? 3 times 9. 300 plus 9 for our final answer.